Hello guys, today I'll be showing you one of the cheapest way to convert your PC or laptop into an amp so that you can practice your guitar skills. Here are the things that you will need to make it work. An electric guitar, USB guitar cable, laptop or PC, amp simulator software, and I'll be using Guitar Rig 5, which is a free amp simulator. Also you'll need audio driver called ASIO4ALL. This will help us fix the latency problem. I will also provide the link to the USB guitar cable in the description if you need one. So let's get started. First, let's connect the USB to the laptop or PC. It should automatically download the required driver and should be ready to use. Now let's make sure that there is a connection between the USB cable and your laptop. For that, open up Control Panel, go to Hardware and Sound, click on Sound, select the Recording tab and look for microphone named USB audio device. The name might be different for your system. Make sure it's disabled. Now, since we know that there is a connection between the USB cable and laptop, let's move on to the next step. The next step is to get the ASIO4ALL audio driver. This will help us with the latency issue. Open a web browser, go to google.com and type ASIO4ALL. Open the URL named ASIO4ALL.org. Here, select ASIO4ALL latest version in English. Download the installer, and once it's downloaded, open the folder location and start the installation process. A window will pop up. Hit Next, accept the terms and conditions and hit Next. Next again. Select the folder destination to install the driver. I will keep the default and click Install. And then finally click Finish. Now, since we have the audio driver that we need, let's open Guitar Rig 5, a free amp simulator. If you don't have this software, please watch my previous video on how to download and install free guitar amp simulator and follow the steps to install it on your Windows system. For others who have this software already, navigate to Audio Settings. First click on File, then click on Audio and MIDI Settings. A new window will pop up. Now for the driver, select ASIO from the drop-down menu. For the sample rate, select 48,000 from the drop-down menu. Now let's set up input and output setting for our audio. Click on ASIO config button. A new window will pop up called ASIO4ALL. Click on the setting icon. Once selected, you will see a red cross on it. Let's set up the output connection first, which will be the speaker. Under WDM device list for the output, select your speaker. The name of my speaker is Realtek Audio. It might be different for you, so please select accordingly. Click on the plus symbol on the left of it to see new options and select the output setting again. For my system, it's Realtek HD Audio Output. It might be different for you. Make sure you choose the correct one. Also make sure to turn off other input and output options and select the option named Out 2 times 48K Hz 32 bits. That's all for setting the output. Let's move on to the input connection. Find the USB audio device, select the option and expand it. Make sure that the input is turned on and output is turned off. Close ASIO4ALL window and hit OK on audio and MIDI settings. Now plug the cable in your guitar and you should be able to play without any latency. If you don't hear any sound, you might have selected the wrong output or input for your speakers and USB cable. Make sure you have selected the right output and input devices. If you have any questions or want me to make any new video on tech issue that you are having, let me know in the comment section below. If this video helped you, please like it and you can also subscribe if you want. Thank you for watching. Hope it helped. See you on the next video.